Unit 1. What's your name? Page 2. Exercise 1. Conversation. My name is Joshua Brown. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hello, my name is Joshua Brown.
Hi, my name is Isabella Martins.
It's nice to meet you, Isabella.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm sorry, what's your last name again?
It's Martins.
Page 2. Exercise 2. Snapshot. Names and nicknames. Listen and practice.
Nicholas, Nick. Emily, M. Michael, Mike. Madison, Maddie. Joshua, Josh. William, Will. Jennifer, Jen. Isabella, Izzy. Elizabeth, Liz.
Page 3. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. My, you, his, her.
What's your name?
My name's Carlos.
What's his name?
His name's Joshua.
What's her name?
Her name's Isabella.
What's equals what is?
Page 3. Exercise 4. Speaking. Spelling names. Part A. Listen and practice.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Page 3. Exercise 4. Part B. Listen and practice. Then practice with your own names. Make a list of your classmates' names.
What's your name?
My name is Akina Hayashi.
Is that A-K-I-N-A?
Yes, that's right.
How do you spell your last name? H-A-Y-A-S-H-Y?
No, it's Hayashi.
Page 3. Exercise 5. Listening. Your name, please? How do you spell the names? Listen and check the correct answers. 1.
Is your name Kate Lopez? That's right. And how do you spell your first name? It's C-A-T-E. Okay, thank you.
2.
Eric Russo. Is your first name spelled E-R-I-C?
No, my name is spelled E-R-I-C-K.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
Yes, it's E-R-I-C-K.
Oh, so it's Eric with a C-K. Got it.
3.
My name is Sophia Peters. Thank you. Sophia. That's S-O-F-I-A? No, it's spelled S-O-P-H-I-A. Oh, excuse me. S-O-P-H-I-A. That's right.
4.
Your name, please?
It's Zachary Tanaka.
Is your first name Z-A-C-K-A-R-Y?
No, it's Zachary.
Oh, so it's Zachary. Thank you, Mr. Tanaka.
Page 4, Exercise 6. Word Power. Titles. Part A. Listen and practice.
Miss Kato. Single females.
Mrs. Jones. Married females.
Ms. Young. Single or married females.
Mr. Rodriguez. Single or married males.
Page 4, Exercise 6. Part B. Listen and write the titles. 1,
Mr. Santos.
2,
Mrs. Wilson.
3,
Miss Park.
4.
Ms. Rossi.
Page 4, Exercise 7. Speaking. Saying hello. Part A. Listen and practice. 1,
Hi, Mia and Gina. How's it going? Great, thanks. How about you, Sandra?
2,
Good morning, Taylor. How are you?
I'm just fine, Mrs. Rodriguez. Thank you.
3,
Good afternoon, Amanda. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks. How are you doing?
4,
Good evening, Miss Roy.
Hello, Mr. Cooper. How are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Page 5, Exercise 8. Conversation. Are you Andrea Clark? Part A. Listen and practice.
Excuse me, are you Andrea Clark?
No, I'm not. She's over there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Matt, this is your book.
Oh, thank you. You're in my math class, right?
Yes, I am. I'm Lena Garza.
Hey, Christy. This is Ben. He's in our history class.
Hi, Ben.
Hi, Christy. Nice to meet you.
Page 5, Exercise 9. Grammar focus. The verb be.
I'm Lena Garza.
You're in my class.
She's over there. Andrea is over there.
He's in our class. Ben is in our class.
It's Garza. My last name is Garza.
Are you Andrea Clark?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. He's equals he is. She's equals she is. It's equals it is.
Page 6, Exercise 10. Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen and practice. Notice the linked sounds.
I'm Isabella. She's over there. You're in my class.
Page 6. Exercise 11. Speaking. Personal information. Part A. Listen and practice.
0, O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Page 6. Exercise 11. Part B. Practice these phone numbers and email addresses. Then listen and check your answers.
Jessica Adams. 402-555-2301. Work phone. 646-486-1004. Cell phone. jadams1@cup.org. Email address.
Ryan Walker. 212-924-1764. Home phone. 643-555-2285. Cell phone. Ryan-Walker_09@cambridge.org. Email address.
Page 7. Exercise 12. Listening. Contact information. Part A. Isabella and Joshua are making a list of classmates' phone numbers and email addresses. Listen and complete the list.
What's Ben Durant's phone number, Joshua?
It's 718-555-8241.
718-555-8241?
Yes, that's it.
And his email address?
It's bendurant@cup.org. Okay, Kara Ruiz. What's her phone number?
Kara. Her number is 347-555-7645.
347-555-7645?
That's right. Her email is kara@cambridge.org. That's CARAR@cambridge.org. Now, let's see. Andrea Clark. Her phone number is 212-645-5960, right?
Yes, that's right. 212-645-5960.
Her email address is aclark134@cup.org.
So that's ACLARK134@cup.org?
Yes.
And Akina Hayashi's number and email?
Oh, Akina is my roommate. Our number is 917-555-2807. Her email address is akinah@cambridge.org.
I'm sorry. Can you spell that?
Her email address?
Yeah.
Sure. It's AKINAH@cambridge.org.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Page 7. Exercise 14. Speaking. Saying goodbye. Part A. Listen and practice. 1,
Bye, Robin.
See you tomorrow, Preeti.
2,
Good night, Jake.
Goodbye, Liz. Have a good evening.
3.
See you later, Mike.
Bye bye, Mike.
4.
Goodbye, Mr. Davis. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Mr. Flores. You too.